Hello, natural beauties. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nat, and today we are gonna do a Melt Cosmetics unboxing. I am so excited about what is in this box. I have passed up what feels like so many collections, new releases, sales, and I've just been waiting for something that screamed my name, and that's what this is. I did already slice it. Oh, that was that caught me off guard. That's really cool. I have some Melt Cosmetics palettes, but I bought them at Sephora, and so I've never received like anything in the mail, so that really caught me off guard. That's super pretty. You can see the little insert here and the gorgeous little tissue on the inside. One of my favorite colors, like a variation. I love that color as well. Here you can see this is from the Amor, Eterno collection. Here we go. Oh my gosh, that lipstick right there. I guess these lipsticks are part of the collection. Just beautiful. So rich and vibrant, beautiful colors. But I really want this lipstick. I love purple and not pink. I love purple and orange on the lips. I feel like they are unexpected, but they surprisingly look good on most people. I was going to say everyone, but I'm going to say most people. But anyways, so I did not buy the lipsticks, but I told my boyfriend about it in case he wants to venture out and go shop for makeup for me. All right, so let's go ahead and open this. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. That's a sticker. And I love gray. That's so funny. If I'm being honest with you, I'll probably put this on my Bible. I have a whole bunch of stickers on my Bible, and that one will fit perfectly. So here is the inside, and I have just something. I don't know what it is about Dia de los Muertos. It's not something that I ever celebrated like as a girl. Like my family isn't, we don't like do that all the time, you know. That wasn't part of my upbringing, but I don't know, I just feel some kind of connection. It's beautiful. I also wore a shirt. This is one of my favorite shirts. Look at that. So pretty. I just think that it's super comfy, and it just, I don't know, I love these kind of decorated skulls. So here's the first one. Oh my gosh, just gorgeous, y'all. Really, really gorgeous. And I think that the colors on the outside are supposed to represent the colors on the inside. Look at that. I love this color. So I got the Vida palette, which means life, and the Muerte palette, which means death. And this is part of the Amor Eterno, which means like eternal love collection. Oh, look at that. It's so nice and textured. I didn't expect that. It is beautiful. So let's go ahead and open it. First off, I'm going to try and show you this. Look at that. So that's like that papel cortado, you know, that, you know, the little banners or whatever. And you can see where it has the title and the name up there. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh, these colors. Look at them. Ooh. I'm going to put a poll up here. Which of these do you want me to use first? I want to know. All right, let's go through these names. I'm trying very gently to pull this back. All right, so here we go. We're going to start. This is Calaca, and that's like a female skeleton. I think she's usually like in a dress and stuff. Corazón, that means heart. Sangre, that means blood. Velorio, that means wake. Katrina, that's a name. Noche Eterna, that's like the eternal night, or maybe like the unending night. Panteón, that's like pantheon. And then duelo, that's like dual, like dual-sided. Lágrimas, that's tears. And then angelito, that's little angel. And you know that these two colors, oh my gosh. And then this beautiful red, oh my gosh. I'm not going to put my fingers in them just yet because I'm sure that y'all are going to see swatches everywhere else, but I want to know what you want me to use these for because they're so gorgeous, y'all. Look at that. I mean, the detail is so just pleasantly, beautifully surprising. Wow. Same thing on the inside. And they have these little plastic guards, but I just didn't, oh wow. Hold on one minute. I'm trying to fold the mirror back very gently, but I don't want to overdo it. So I'm just hold it like this for now. So these, look at these, another red, and I love red, y'all. So it's Sarape Papel Picado. That's that paper that I was talking to you about. Amor, Eterno, Agua Ardiente, well, chocolate, not chocolate. Well, it probably is chocolate, but I don't see like an accent over the E. Atole, that just reminds me of my son. Such wonderful memories with atole. That's like a warm cereal, rice cereal that we eat. We eat it warm. Some people eat it cold. We like it warm for breakfast. This is sol, which means sun. Pan dulce, which is sweet bread. Alegría, which is happiness. And mexicana, which is me. At least half of me. Remember, we're going to be doing my ancestry this coming year. So I know that my mom is Mexican because I'm adopted, but I don't know what my dad is. So here are the two palettes together, y'all. And I'm sorry if you were disappointed that I didn't swatch them, but if you know me, you know that I like for my makeup stash to look used. And I just don't want these to look used yet. I want these to stay nice and pretty and perfect. And they kind of stick together, like almost like a magnet, maybe magnetized. And so I love how well they go together. I'm super excited. Let me know which of these you want me to use first. I've been talking to Clara Barrera from Beauty is Ageless here on YouTube. And she also got this. She was super excited about it. And it was funny because she DM'd me when she got hers. And I told her when I got mine. And I didn't open mine right away. I got it and I've just been so busy at work. So it's actually been here for a couple days, maybe like 2 days now. And I haven't opened it. And she was like, girl, I couldn't get into my box fast enough. But I understand. I get it. But I just kind of wanted to hold on to these for a little bit. I was just happy that they were here. And let me know which of these you want me to use first. Thank you all so much for joining me. Just know that I'm sending positivity to you. I'm going to have Clara linked. Go check her out if you don't know her. Thank you for clicking on this video. Bye, y'all.